Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, checking your phone, and realizing that while you were asleep, an AI tool made you more money than you made all last week at your 9-to-5 job. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the shocking truth. This is happening right now in 2025. Regular people, not Silicon Valley geniuses, not Wall Street traders, but everyday people, students, freelancers, stay-at-home parents, are leveraging artificial intelligence to create overnight income streams that compound into wealth. The world has shifted. The rules of money have changed, and if you don't understand how to play this new AI wealth game, you risk being left behind in financial poverty while others rise to millionaire status. So, buckle up, because today I'm going to break down the AI Millionaire Blueprint, how you can position yourself to get rich overnight, starting in 2025. This is not about hype. This is about opportunity. AI is the greatest wealth-building tool humanity has ever seen. And it doesn't care about your background, your degree, or even how much money you have right now. The only thing that matters is whether you act fast before the window closes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step blueprint on how AI can turn your financial story around, faster than any job or business model you've ever tried before. Point 1. AI-powered automation, your 24/7 money machine. The first pillar of the AI Millionaire Blueprint is automation. Think about it. Humans sleep, eat, get tired. AI doesn't. Once you set it up correctly, it works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without complaining, without asking for a raise, and without taking weekends off. Imagine replacing hours of manual work with a system that automatically sends emails, creates social media posts, analyzes customer behavior, and even closes sales, all while you're out living your life. That's not just convenience, that's freedom. Here's the emotional hook. Every hour you delay setting up AI automation, someone else is already making money in your niche. Picture this. While you're scrolling social media for entertainment, someone else is using AI to schedule content, build a following, and convert that following into revenue streams. By the time you notice, they've captured the audience and locked you out. The opportunity here is staggering. AI-powered chatbots can replace customer service teams. AI ad managers can optimize your campaigns while you sleep. AI content writers can create endless streams of engaging posts. What used to require a full company of employees can now be managed by one person with the right AI stack. That's how ordinary people are scaling to millionaire status. Not by working harder, but by leveraging smarter, automated systems that do the heavy lifting for them. Point 2. AI in content creation. Turning creativity into cash. Content is still king, but AI has completely changed the throne room. In the past, becoming a successful creator meant endless hours of brainstorming, writing, recording, editing, and publishing. Now, AI tools can generate scripts, edit videos, design thumbnails, and even clone your voice. You don't need a studio. You don't even need to show your face. All you need is strategy and execution. Imagine running 5 YouTube channels at once, each powered by AI-written scripts, AI-edited videos, and AI voiceovers. Sounds insane, but people are already doing this in 2025. And some are raking in tens of thousands of dollars per month in ad revenue, sponsorships, and digital product sale. But here's the catch. Those who dismiss AI as just a trend will be the same ones complaining 2 years from now about why they're broke, while AI creators are dominating the online landscape. This isn't about art versus machines, it's about leverage. Use AI to produce content at 10x the speed of your competitors, and you'll drown them in visibility. Once you own attention, you own income. Point 3. AI in investing. Smart money that never sleeps. Let's talk about wealth multiplication. Traditional investing is slow, research-heavy, and often intimidating. But AI has made investing not just easier, but faster and more profitable. In 2025, AI-powered investing platforms can analyze millions of data points across global markets in seconds. They identify trends before humans even notice them, and they execute trades with precision timing. Think of it like this. You could spend hours studying charts, news, and indicators. Or you could have an AI do it in milliseconds and send you instant alerts on the best buy and sell points. Some AI-driven funds have already outperformed traditional hedge funds. That's how powerful this shift is. But here's the cliffhanger. AI investing isn't just for the stock market. It's for crypto, real estate, commodities, even NFTs. Imagine owning a portfolio that constantly evolves, rebalances, and maximizes profit without you lifting a finger. This is the kind of financial intelligence billionaires pay entire teams to manage. And now, it's available to anyone who plugs into the AI ecosystem. Point 4. AI-driven online businesses, scaling without limits. If automation is the foundation and content is the fuel, then AI-driven businesses are the engine of the new millionaire economy. Traditional businesses are limited by human labor. But AI-driven businesses? They scale infinitely. Imagine an e-commerce store that uses AI to design trending products, write product descriptions, optimize ads, and handle customer service without hiring a single employee. That's not a futuristic fantasy. It's happening right now. People are building 6- and 7-figure online stores by leveraging AI in every step of the process. Some use AI to identify product gaps in the market. Others use it to create AI-powered digital products like ebooks, courses, or even SaaS tools that solve problems automatically. The emotional driver here is urgency. Every month you wait, more entrepreneurs are entering your niche with AI-powered efficiency. By the time you show up, they've already optimized, automated, and scaled. You'll be left wondering why you can't keep up, when the answer is simple. They used AI and you didn't. Point 5. Personal AI assistants, your secret weapon. Let's get personal. Imagine having your own private assistant, someone who schedules your tasks, reminds you of opportunities, researches trends, drafts emails, and even negotiates deals. Now imagine that assistant costs you less than $50 a month and never takes a day off. That's what personal AI assistants are in 2025. This isn't Siri or Alexa. This is advanced AI that understands context, adapts to your goals, and evolves with you. Want to launch a new business? Your AI assistant maps out the entire plan. Want to grow your brand? It studies your competitors and shows you where to strike. Want to manage your money better? It builds personalized financial roadmaps. Here's the cliffhanger. In the past, only CEOs, billionaires, and politicians had access to this kind of leverage. Entire teams dedicated to their success. Now, with AI, you can have the equivalent of a full-time strategist in your pocket. The question is, are you going to let that power sit unused? Or are you going to make it your unfair advantage? Point 6. AI in education, learning at lightning speed. Wealth follows speed, and in 2025, AI has completely redefined how fast you can learn new skills. Instead of sitting through months of boring courses, you can now use AI tutors that adapt to your learning style, answer your specific questions, and guide you step by step. For example, want to learn coding? An AI tutor can debug your code in real time. Want to master investing? An AI coach can explain concepts in plain language and even simulate portfolios for you. Want to build a business? AI can compress years of trial and error into weeks of guided action. The real wealth hack here is that education no longer has to be linear. You can skip the fluff and go straight to actionable skills that generate income. Imagine learning copywriting, video editing, or even app development in a fraction of the time it takes others. The faster you learn, the faster you earn. And in the AI economy, those who learn slow will get left behind fast. Point 7. AI in networking, building millionaire connections. Money doesn't just come from skills, it comes from people, and AI has turned networking into a superpower. In 2025, AI tools can scan LinkedIn, Twitter, and other platforms to identify the exact people who can help you grow. Investors, partners, mentors, clients, and even draft personalized outreach messages. Think about the power of this. Instead of wasting hours sending random cold emails, AI can tell you who to connect with, why they matter, and how to get their attention. This is how millionaires think. They don't just chase money, They build ecosystems of people who create opportunities for them. Here's the emotional hook. Imagine you're one introduction away from the person who could fund your startup, promote your brand, or mentor you into millionaire success. Without AI, you might never find that connection. With AI, it's delivered to you on a silver platter. Point 8. AI and passive income streams. This is where the blueprint gets exciting. Passive income has always been the dream, money flowing in while you sleep. But AI has made passive income scalable like never before. For example, AI can write books, generate stock photos, create music, or even design apps that sell in marketplaces forever. Imagine uploading an AI-written ebook to Amazon that continues to sell month after month, or creating an AI-generated digital course that students buy while you're on vacation, or running an AI-driven ad funnel that automatically converts strangers into paying customers every single day. The wealth-building potential here is mind-blowing. You no longer have to choose between working for active income and hoping for passive income someday. AI allows you to create systems that generate cash flow today, tomorrow, and years from now. The earlier you start, the bigger your snowball grows. Point 9. AI in personal branding, becoming an authority overnight. In the new economy, attention equals currency, and AI is the ultimate brand amplifier. Want to grow a massive following on social media? AI can research trends, generate viral posts, edit videos, and even respond to comments automatically. Want to establish yourself as an expert in your field? AI can ghostwrite books, articles, and speeches that position you as an authority overnight. The key here is speed. In the past, building a personal brand took years of consistent effort. Now, with AI, you can build credibility, visibility, and influence in months. And once you have influence, money flows naturally through sponsorships, product launches, consulting, and collaborations. Here's the emotional driver. People trust faces, names, and voices. If you don't build your personal brand, someone else will dominate the space you could have owned. And once authority is established, it's almost impossible to dethrone. That's why acting now is non-negotiable. Point 10. The AI millionaire mindset. Thinking bigger, acting faster. All the tools, strategies, and hacks mean nothing without the right mindset. The AI millionaire doesn't wait for permission. They don't fear failure. They don't waste months researching. They act, test, and refine quickly. Because in 2025, the speed of execution is the biggest wealth divider. Here's the truth. The world won't slow down for you. AI is evolving daily, and opportunities that exist today may be gone tomorrow. That's why the millionaire mindset is about relentless urgency. It's about seeing AI not as a threat, but as the biggest opportunity of your lifetime. It's about asking yourself every day, how can I make AI work for me today? The cliffhanger? The only thing standing between you and AI millionaire status is not the economy, not your background, not your bank account. It's your decision to act now or stay stuck while others leap ahead. So here's the truth. The AI millionaire blueprint is real, and it's unfolding right now in 2025. The only thing you need to decide is whether you'll be one of the people who takes action, or one of the people who regrets being too late. AI doesn't wait, and neither should you. If this video lit a fire in you, then your next step is crystal clear. Go watch my video on the power of compounding, how small money becomes big wealth. And because AI may help you earn fast, but compounding is what keeps you rich for life. Together, they're unstoppable.